plugs in the country. But actually you can buy a transmitter, or anybody can you can take a transmitter as loan from reception of any call. It's also okay. Yeah.
What was the basic weight of your back?
It's limited by the Apple on the 22 kilos. You cannot exceed.
And you had only
22 kilos.
Basic.
Yeah, I left in the end of my trip. I left in Zambia one pair of shoes, all pairs of trousers, everything what I can leave there and to exchange to the collected materials. Yeah, but 22 was fixed. And for that small plane indeed, which I used for this small plane, they allowed only 19 kilos.
Mm-hmm.
So, but and something like 5 kilos for handle pack, but handle pack they didn't weight. So I made my small backpack like I put even a tent in my small backpack. It was from there, but it's a handle care, so you shouldn't care about my handle care. And actually the backpack was precisely 19, so it's something what I had to play. But actually I was waiting for this plane also 5 hours, by like for minibus. So it's I had time to rearrange my things for waiting for the plane.
More questions?
A few questions. First of all, you presented your report about 3 travels in 3. If I understand right, there was all of these 3 travels was about. I don't know.
Same.
It was the same of duration.
Not about the same. So we can return. Actually, Senegal was nearly less than 1 month. Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania was something 2 months and a half.
Oh, yes.
And the last one was 36 days because I had to return. 36 days. I had to return. It's because it was supported by Ukrainian fund. They gave money in the end of November, and they wanted the report before the new year.
As usual.
I want to listen about what is about your material and what material was the most rich for you, and not maybe not only for you and colleagues.
You mean which country produced the best material?
In what level was the most rich material, and how you can explain this richness or not richness?
It's quite difficult to say because I haven't actually sorted all the materials so far. My main idea was the bruchid parasitoids, so I was focused on them, and all the mass collectings, they are still in the fridge, even from Senegal and especially from Uganda, and even not now. But preliminary, I can say that Uganda produces the best. So this is what I said. That probably traveling to Uganda, you can cover most of African biodiversity. Indeed. Well, I don't know about Congo. I still couldn't get to Congo. Maybe I will manage this year, but. Maybe Congo is the same, but Uganda is bordering upon Congo. I would say Uganda is the most rich. And but as to species diversity, I would say Senegal. As I said, Western Africa has the more endemic stuff. So even for very dry area, you can collect and you can see many genera and some potentially new species. And in Uganda, Kenya, and Tanzania, actually, what you collect in Uganda, you can see in Kenya and also in Tanzania, but in smaller number. In Uganda, it will be more abundant.
And what is about to bring this material across and through the borders?